Hey there, welcome back HISD. We hope you had a restful Thanksgiving break. So today we're talking school choice. The dates are almost here. We're also heading to Austin High School for campus close-up, checking in with North Houston ECHS students who are gaining real-world media experience, and we're breaking down how we're keeping campuses warm during this cold stretch. It is Monday, December 1st. Well, as students and staff return to campuses today, we know the cold, rainy weather is sticking around. That's why our teams have been hard at work making sure every building is warm, comfortable, and ready for learning. A little behind the scenes for you that is, school heating systems kick on at 2 in the morning, so classrooms have plenty of time to warm up before students and staff arrive. Then our energy conservation teams report to work at 4:30 a.m. to run system scans and make sure everything is working. Like we said, it's going to stay chilly this week, so be sure to bundle up. Now to some reminders about school choice. So HISD is an open enrollment district of choice, which gives every family the chance to find the school that best fits their child's needs. Now take a look and be sure to write these dates down or take a screenshot. Phase 1 application opens in a little more than a week on Tuesday, December 9th, and it closes in February 2026. The dates for round 2 are on your screen right now. We also have a school choice fair coming up on Saturday, December 13th at the Mickey Leland College Preparatory Academy. These school choice fairs showcase all magnet and other select programs in HISD in one place so parents can easily learn about them. Programs like IB, dual language, gifted and talented, Montessori, and much more. Now to learn more about the school choice process and to see other important dates and resources, head on over to our website. It's schoolchoice.houstonisd.org. This week for Campus Close-Up, we're spotlighting Austin High School in Houston's East End, a campus riding high after earning a B in the latest accountability ratings. A big part of that growth comes from the school's wide range of dynamic programs that are preparing students not just for college, but for careers. Now, I talked with Principal Lucio Rodriguez about that and so much more. Our full conversation is now posted on the channel, and make sure you're subscribed, because this week we'll be exploring Austin's maritime and education programs, talking with teachers and students, and highlighting the incredible work happening on campus. Well, over the break, we shared a story about students at North Houston Early College High School who turned a district event into a hands-on learning opportunity in the world of PR and media relations. Now, these students have been working hard not only to promote their campus and highlight the great things happening at North Houston ECHS, but also to build real-world experience that'll prepare them for future careers. The story is up on the channel and on our Instagram and Facebook pages.
Houston Independent School District Superintendent Holiday Greeting Card.
Also over the break, we posted this story. Congrats to the winners of HISD's 34th Annual Holiday Greeting Card Contest. These students won laptops, digital art portfolios, and scholarships to the Glassell Junior School of Art. And that's not all. Their winning designs are for sale, and they make for the perfect holiday gift through HISD's printing services. You can check out the winning designs for yourself. The link to the website is posted in the description of this video. Well, that does it for us today on HISD Now. As always, thank you for subscribing, liking, and sharing our content. We'll see you right back here tomorrow.